Well folks, last night I got a call from Uncle G. He said he's going to deliver my my new drone to me at around about 9 o'clock. So I figured, okay, we'll be up by then, I reckon. Little did I know that the boy was actually going to send me the drone, this one, from up there with another drone. Quite scary. So the telephone call was quite a shock. Anyway, I did the video of him bringing it across, which was quite scary because you know, it's quite a distance. Video, unfortunately, I might have used some naughty words expressing my caution with him bringing it over on what he eventually did. But it all worked out. The drone is here. She flies very nicely. So the deal has been done. I thank the Uncle G for bringing it over, but not the way he did it. I later found out that the boy is going to make up a little industry, a sideline to this sort of thing. Drone service. I'll keep you in touch with what the lad's going to do. That's it. Enjoy. Sorry for the swear words. On with it. Uncle G, I'm walking out to the strip now. You say you're going to bring it in by drone by drone. Oh geez, I hope you know what you're doing, Cobber. This is serious stuff if you drop the bloody thing. Anyway, just about out here now. Hanging there for a bit. See if I can find it in the distance there. Let's have a look. Gee, it's a nice day. You must be just a little dot at the moment. But what are you going to do when you get here? You're going to land and offload and I'll let you go again, or yeah? Okay, I'll get back to you then when I see it, Cobber. I'm starting to film you now over your area, but it's a long way away, Cobber. Must be about there. Yeah. That's as far as I can get it. I can't really see. Anyway, you just keep bringing it over. Alright, hang in there. Oh shit, that's alright. Wow. That's pretty cool, man. Where are you again? Jeez. So, that's my drone, isn't it? Alright, Cobber, well, are you going to land it in my spot that I've put up there for you? You what? No, don't drop it. Don't drop it, boy. That would be no bloody good to me. Alright. What did you drop? Jesus Christ! What did you do that for? Yeah, gonna rack off now, I guess. Yeah. Best you do too. Better not be broken, boy. Lord. Bloody oath. Jesus, Thinker. You could have done better than that, boy. You could have landed it. Yeah, where? Ah, Jesus. Ah. That's a bloody hole. I'll just put this down and see if we can see what you've done. God damn. Well, it looks alright. A bit of dirt on it. See what we can do a bit. Oh, she's packaged up alright. Well, you did one thing right, Cobber. Well, okay then. Well, she flies. I won't be too unhappy.